So we're at the shooting range today. I got the whole family here. Got Lauren. Hi, Lauren. Donovan. Mom. Dad. We're having a good time. Learn how to shoot a gun, which I've never done before. Well, no, I have once when I was a little kid, but don't really remember.
Ready, steady, go!
See where you're hitting on that thing? No. Kind of.
Ready. 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 Yo, ready, steady, go!
Not very good at this. Donovan Murphy here. He's the gun expert today. He's going to show us about these guns here. Donovan, tell us what kind of guns we're shooting today. What kind of gun is this right here, Dono?
It's a PPK 9mm.
Yeah? Tell us about it.
Um,
How's the kick on it?
it's got a pretty good kick.
It's got a kick.
Yeah.
All right. You any good at it?
Small barrel. It's got quite a bit of kick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. That's called a what now?
Walther PPK. It's a 9mm.
And somebody famous about this gun before, right?
Yeah. James Bond.
James
actually.
Bond. Wow. It's pretty famous.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. How about the other one here? What's that one? Well, it's like an old-fashioned gun. Looks like I've seen in the Western movies. What's that?
22 revolver.
22 revolver. It only has 6 shots.
Yeah.
Huh. So why is it called a 22?
Because it's a .22 caliber round that fires.
Ah, I get it.
Yeah.
Cool. What's Brent shooting over there?
It's a semi-automatic 22 rifle.
Very cool.
Yeah.
You know a lot about guns. How do you know so much about guns? You play a lot of video games?
Yeah. A little bit.
Yeah. Cool. They have all these guns on your video games?
Not all of them, no.
No?
No.
No. Okay. Look at Lauren over there. She's getting her tan on.
It's beer 30.
Oh, we don't need to shoot shotgun.
We'll be working on the beer later. All right. Say bye.
Bye.